Okay, here's my new kayak. Bought it like a week ago. I'm new to this. Start trying to record YouTube videos. My name is Mario, by the way. And I went to Walmart to buy this anchor. Where's it at? It's 45-foot wire. Rope. And these little to tie it down. But I'm trying, and then this is for my little anchor pulley that I'm gonna try to make. I'm gonna screw it down right there, one in the front, see how it goes. Alright, so I put that just to tie it down, and then I made my own little anchor trolley system right here. It was cheap too, $20 for everything. I could run my anchor to the front or to the middle, which to the front is always safer. Let me show you how it works.